Ready?
Yep. How do we open things?
Just our awkward hellos. That's it. Hello!
Awkward hello.
Awkward hello!
Hello. Today, something new.
Uh,
New? I don't know. Maybe we've talked about it a little bit.
This is Landon's thing. This is 3D printing extravaganza. That's what this is that what we call this episode?
You know, we forgot to
3D
introduce
printing.
ourselves.
Oh.
Hello.
Hello!
I'm Landon.
I'm Christina.
And we are the beautiful and the bearded.
And the bearded. We're getting better, right?
We're getting better.
Okay, wait. First of all, let's address the elephant in the room. Look at how good we look because we upgraded and we have a ring light. We look really good.
You look great.
So, yeah, this is all about 3D printing and in our new ring light. Woo!
3D printing.
3D printing. So, this is your baby,
whole new
babe.
world.
Don't you dare close your eyes.
This really opened up a whole new world of possibilities in the makerspace for us. I mean, if you can dream it and you can design it, you can print it almost. I mean, within reason and size. So and there's so many different colors and materials. 3D printing is just awesome.
You know what? We wanted to showcase some of the things that we've been printing recently for Christmas because it is the holidays, and for me, I always go to him. There's a website called Thingiverse where we go online and we find some different things that other makers have designed, and we print them off, and it's that easy. So this year, I have a lot of seasonal decor, including these cute little deer. Halloween, I had cute little Halloween things. I say that, a little jack-o'-lantern that had a lid I could put a candle in. Mm-hmm. We printed out of glow-in-the-dark material, little moons.
Little moons. They didn't turn out real great, but next time maybe.
Next time, yeah.
Also piggy bank, like a literal pig. That has some
money in the
change
nose.
in there.
Thank you.
And then this is a birdhouse. Kind of neat. You can hang it from the tree, I guess. And there's little holes in the bottom for to let the water out.
So cool.
Yep.
So right now, actually, Landon's been 3D printing literally every day. He gets this thing to work, which is really cool. Usually my request of I want some gifts, print off some bookmarks, print off more deer, I want to do this, I want to do that. A headphone stand. See, actual items that you can use.
Yeah. And I mean, the designers go on Thingiverse and they put their content out there and you can tip them. If you think it's a good product, you can tip them, and it's a good idea.
Tip your designers. That's exactly it. But right now, you're building something that you custom designed yourself, correct? You custom designed this?
Yeah. So that's the thing. Earlier, there's a need in our shop right now. We just received that dust collector from my dad and grandpa, and it has a really big hole that we need to hook a hose up to. In the current situation,
I'll just fill space. There we go.
Looks like this. So it's an old plumbing fittings with duct tape that Grandpa had on there and glued together, and it works, but I think it might be a bit long. Plus, coming out of this, we need some other stuff that isn't quite this size. So the solution was to just design it and then print it.
And then print it. Are we in the 21st century, or where are we? We are. That's the answer. So we'll show it up close a little bit better, but why is it in different colors?
Why is the filament different colors?
Yeah, why did you make it multicolored?
Oh, well, because it's just like a fitting for a shop. I'm using up the little ends of the rolls of filament.
Oh.
Yeah.
I thought it was a big answer.
It comes on.
It comes on. It's going to show us the rolls.
Comes on these spools. This is Amazon Basics. This one. There's all sorts of filament out there. I've had some luck with Amazon Basics and a bunch of other products as well. But it comes on little rolls, and you can see back here, again, we'll zoom in a bit closer, but it's just like a little thread of plastic. It goes in, gets melted, and then extrudes itself in little layers that you might be able to see.
Can you see that up close?
Layer by layer it comes out, and you have a part. It's a beautiful thing. Yeah.
You printed for your dad, too, a really cool thing, something.
Yeah, I did. I printed him a something, yeah. He had a part that was missing, or a friend of his had a part that was missing. Dad actually had that part, so I was able to recreate that part in the CAD system and then print him a copy. And he actually took that and made it out of metal after that. So.
But even things that are functional, there's puzzles that you can make that move around, but you just print it. Right. We're making an arcade cabinet for my brother right now, and there is his favorite thing for me is I say, that thingamabob that you did? And he goes, yeah, the thing. What thing? What thing?
The thingamabob.
Anyway,
She said,
you know
do you have
now.
that screw thing that we for the other one?
Anyways,
making no sense.
could you explain the thing?
Well, in the desk, as you know, you got a hole in your desk and you want cables to go through it. There's a little cap that goes on there. So again, we went on Thingiverse and found a really cool one that goes through and it threads together, holds real tight, and has this nice little port that you can put cables through. So we'll show you that as well. Plus, there's a handle on top. You know, we 3D printed a handle out of plastic. You know, just so many uses.
What you can't do with this world.
So many uses.
I'll tell you.
Oh, laptop stand. That's another thing.
Laptop stand.
And we'll show you that too.
Yeah. There's just 1,000 things we can do, and we could be here all day. But we'll take you through some of the videos of things printing as it goes, just because we think that's really cool. And we had given away a couple of these deers on our Instagram page. Do you follow us? Or wait, do you hit that bell?
I hear a bell, but
I hear a bell. Oh, you know what? That's supper.
That's supper, yeah.
But we'll come back and we'll tell you, hit that bell while you're here.
Yeah.
Supper, I gotta go check it.
Okay, love you.
How cool is this one?
This one's awesome. I really like that tree. It's impressive how it strings and loops and strings and loops. It was a lot of fun. How was it to paint the plastic?
It was so easy. I was able to just like spray it with my favorite spray paint. We had a domestic the other day about spray paint, but that is I really like that brand.
Did it stick to the plastic or does it rub off when you're holding it? That was my concern.
No, it stuck so good. It's paint and primer in one, you see.
We've heard this all before. Hence the domestic. How about that little deer fawn and its papa?
So cute. And then I made you print about 3,000 deer this holiday season because not only did I want a set for myself, but I wanted a set for everybody else.
Yeah, a few giveaways in there and some for the family members.
They're so cute though. Look at them print up. And then a forest. You printed me a forest of all the trees.
Yeah, remember how you wanted them of all shapes and sizes, and I did that, and then you were like, hey, I want different sizes, and I said, hey, there are different sizes, and then you were like, no, I want different sizes, and I said, they are different sizes.
Oh, Christmas tree. You've heard it all before. And yeah, we've done all sorts of cool stuff. There was a love bug that you broke. There was all sorts of cool stuff.
The jack-o'-lantern, I really like that one. And these bookmarks. I mean, again, the bookmarks are pretty fantastic.
I use them for everything, for keeping recipes straight, for gifts, for reading, I guess, what a real bookmark's for.
I think one of my favorite things is still the piggy bank. It's just a really neat display of how you can use 3D printing because, you know, it's an odd shape and also it has that threaded plug on the bottom to take the money out, and the threads actually printed. Like, it's really neat. Maybe that's too technical.
Hello.
White tree.
Yes, I do. Oh, did I want the one with the fawn? I just wanted the lying down deer. But I'll have both.
Yeah.
Hello. Hi. That was it.
That was it?
Wait, this is the extra.
Is it extra or outro?
Outro, extra. Doesn't matter really.
Maestro.
My battery's exhausted.
Anyways,
that was it. Pickle drinks, you will be a pickle.
The 3D printing process, and it's a lot of fun, and we do it quite often. Every day, I'd say.
Every single day. It's so cool. Whether it's me bringing him something that I need or
Me making it up.
whatever you want. Yeah, basically. It's your world, your oyster.
Yeah, those bookmarks that we showed you, gotta love those.
Those are so cool. I
Yeah.
love them. And yeah, so if you like what you see here, we're going to totally promote ourselves now. We're on Instagram, The Beautiful and the Bearded.
Yes.
But we need more subscribers or something, is what they tell us, the internet world. So hit that bell, Ding ding,
Ding, ding.
ding 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 ding.
You know, like and subscribe.
Like,
and all
subscribe,
that.
comment if you like it. We tried a contest last week. There was only 3 comments. So if you subscribe and you hit the bell, in the future, in the new year, when we start making more new things and we give things away, you could be like, there's literally 3 comments, 3 winners. So
Yeah, true.
that could be you if you hit that bell today.
Or we can start giving away less.
Who does that? It's 2021 next year.
Times are tough.
Anyways,
Okay.
what do we do? You know.
Yeah. Stay bearded. Until next time. Stay bearded.
And stay beautiful.
Love you.
Oh, I love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Never wave at the camera.
But we did.
It's like a Skype call.